Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Focus tail light bulb. Park on level ground, turn off ignition, and open the trunk to access the tail light housing. Remove fasteners, unplug the socket, and twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Inspect the socket and gasket for corrosion, replace the bulb with a matching type, then reassemble and test the light before driving. Use gloves to avoid oils on the bulb. Start by gathering tools and confirming the correct replacement bulb for your Ford Focus. Work in daylight or use a bright lamp so you clearly see screws and clips. Keep a clean rag and gloves handy to handle the bulb without leaving oils. If connectors are corroded, clean them gently and apply a tiny amount of dielectric grease for protection. Take your time removing fasteners to avoid breaking plastic trim or clips. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple car repairs. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you work under the car. I love how durable they are, and they add a bit of humor to awkward repair positions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Work methodically when removing and replacing the bulb to avoid damaging trim pieces. Loosen screws or clips and gently pull the assembly out just enough to reach the socket. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it, swap in the new bulb, and reinstall the socket until it locks. Refit the assembly, secure all fasteners, and test the light with the ignition on. If the new bulb does not light, check the fuse and connector continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.